In the ever-evolving world of marketing, there's always a smarter, more efficient way to do things. Welcome to the age of marketing automation. Are you overwhelmed by the inflow of leads? Struggling to manage and nurture them effectively? Marketing automation might just be the solution you're looking for. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new marketing automation content. Let's dive into how you can optimize leads through it. 1. Define your goals. Before anything, be clear about what you want to achieve. Is it increasing lead generation, lead scoring, or lead nurturing? 2. Segment your leads. Not all leads are the same. Segment them based on behaviors, demographics, or engagement. This allows for personalized communication. 3. Implement lead scoring. Assign values to leads based on their actions. Higher scores denote leads closer to conversion. This helps prioritize follow-ups. 4. Create personalized email campaigns. Use the data from your segmented lists. Send targeted and timely content that speaks directly to the recipient's needs and position in the buying cycle. 5. Automate follow-ups. With automation tools, schedule follow-up emails or reminders. This ensures no lead is forgotten and potential clients are timely engaged. 6. Analyze and optimize. Regularly review the performance of your campaigns. Adjust strategies based on what's working and what's not. 7. Educate leads with drip campaigns. Gradually feed your leads with information. Drip campaigns educate them over time, moving them closer to a decision. 8. Utilize multi-channel marketing. Engage your leads where they are. Integrate your automation tools across channels for a cohesive experience. 9. A/B test your campaigns. Test different versions of your content to determine what resonates best with your audience. 10. Keep learning and adapting. The digital landscape is always evolving. Stay updated with the latest in marketing automation to continually optimize your leads. Thank you for joining us on this journey through lead optimization within marketing automation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more marketing insights. So, take a deep breath, set your goals, and let marketing automation streamline your processes. Watch your leads not just grow, but thrive.